Hello, everybody. This is Eddie Gabor, Managing Partner of Key Advisors Group. Please subscribe to our YouTube page. We try to put actionable videos live in regards to real-time things that are happening in the markets, as well as other sectors that hopefully you can take advantage of. So today, I'm recording this after a weekend in which crypto crashed, right? Crypto crash was all over the internet this weekend, and a lot of investors are asking why. You know, a lot of times trying to find the why is very, very difficult. So I want to focus on the crypto crash and potentially a signal that is to the stock market, okay? I got to tell you, I am a believer in crypto as an asset class, okay? I think some of the crypto is more than likely here to stay for the long run. However, I also recognize the fact that crypto, and many people don't agree with this, but until the data proves differently, I'm going to stick with this thesis about cryptocurrency. And that is that it is a highly volatile asset that is very correlated to the stock market, especially on downturns. And we've seen certain sectors in the stock market have corrections. You look at commodities, you look at some of the small cap stocks that have taken a beating, and then crypto took that beating. And look, this type of volatility is to be expected. 15, 20, 30% swings in cryptocurrency is nothing new, and it should be expected. So it certainly isn't for everyone. In my opinion, you have to be a high-risk investor that has the stomach for high volatility before you dip your toe into this space, okay? But right now, I think crypto is just another signal that the market is giving us that we are heading into a slowdown next year. And when we have a slowdown next year, while the Fed is tightening, I think you're going to see risk assets potentially could have a double-digit correction in the market. And that means that will impact crypto even worse. And look, again, I am a believer in cryptocurrency as an asset class for the right person. I think that they are here for the long haul. But as an investment advisor, when I'm taking a look at opportunities to invest in a certain asset class, I'm taking a look at the risk-adjusted return potential over the next few months. And right now, my concern for crypto in the short term is if we get that double-digit correction that we're expecting in the first half of next year, cryptocurrency, in my opinion, could take a much, much bigger beating. And so for myself personally, I'm going to be patient here. I'm not going to try to chase. I feel like we're at the tail end of this market run-up that we're going to probably see top out in the end of December or January. And then I think it gets very, very treacherous. And so from a cryptocurrency perspective, if I have that market thesis, and I believe cryptocurrency has much higher volatility than the overall market, then in my opinion, for myself personally, I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. It's a hard thing to do as an investor is be patient. But I'm going to be patient on crypto, and I'm going to wait until we get that double-digit correction that we're expecting. Now, look, if it doesn't materialize and we don't do that, and we don't get that correction, then I may have to pivot my stance. But I think, again, the market has been sending us enough signals from the VIX to the bond market to small caps to now crypto that volatility is really starting to ramp up because there's a lot of what-ifs happening right now in the marketplace. And so right now, in my opinion, as an investor, this is the time to play defense. And unfortunately, for those that love crypto, crypto is not a defensive position. In my opinion, that's a very aggressive position. So because I want to play defensive here, me personally, I'm not looking to add it. Doesn't mean you can't, because again, it depends on your risk tolerance. But again, if we expect the volatility index to continue to start trending upwards over the next few months, and we're expecting this double-digit drop, this crypto crash that we saw over the weekend may just be the beginning of what's coming for this asset class. So that patience, if we are correct in our market analysis and market thesis and market opinion, could be a wonderful opportunity for an aggressive investor to dip their toe into this space if it has that correction that we're expecting. So again, crashes happen, especially in the crypto space because of the volatility. I really wouldn't characterize what happened this weekend as a crash. It was a big drop, but not relative, in my opinion, to the asset class that we're talking about. So again, I think this could kind of be the precursor of more and more drops that we're going to see over the next few months. So sometimes, again, patience is hard, but I think it's critical to be a great investor is to have patience because sometimes that patience can really, really reward you. Okay, so That's my opinion on crypto. I wanted to address it because it seems to be the top question we're getting today after what happened this weekend. So I hope you found today's information valuable. Thank you and have a great day.